Hello everyone, welcome back to Kalparuksha classes. Here we are with part 2 of surface areas and volumes from the series SSLC short board exam questions in day 7. Already on the day 6 I have shot the first video of surface areas and volumes, and many students requested and they commented on the video to do the part 2 also, so that they get to know about nature of the questions. Alright, so that's why I have brought this second video. Sit back, take your pen and notebook and make it sure that you are practicing all these things before I solve, and confirm your answer with my solutions, so that you become perfect in your board exam preparation. Alright then, so these are the 100% board exam questions only, which are asked in the question paper. Same things I have copied down and I am solving all those questions. Alright, so let's get into this question. What is this question? Curved surface area of a right circular cone is 4070 centimeter square and its slant height is 37 centimeter. Find the radius of the base of the cone. Quite a simple question. Write down the given data. So what is the curved surface area of this cone? So that is 4070 centimeter square, that is given. Then slant height is given as 37 centimeter. Now they are asking about radius. Radius is equal to question mark. Direct formula is there, no? So what is that? Curved surface area is equal to pi r l. Alright. So we are going to get this curved surface area is equal to pi, means what is this? This is 22/7. Alright, otherwise you can substitute here. So what is the curved surface area value? That is 4070. You can write down that 4070 into 22/7 into r into l is 37. Alright, now we want the value of r, right? So if I want the value of r, let me keep it there only, and I can bring these things this side. So it becomes r is equal to, I am keeping r there only. So 4070 as usual it will be there, and 22/7 becomes 7 divided by 22 into this 37 becomes 1 divided by 37. Alright, so you can cancel it as 2 ones are 2 ones are, and it is 2 twos are, then zeros are, then 2 threes are, 1 is a carry, 3 fives are. Alright, now you can carry forward the calculation with 11 ones are, and it becomes 11 ones are, 9 is the carry here, 11 eights are, 88, then 93 is there, means 5 is the carry, 11 fives are. Alright, fine then. So now I am left with r is equal to, what are the things remaining here? 185 is there, and into 7 is there, and divided by 37 is there. Alright, fine then. So if I want to find out this value, 37, it's like a prime number, right? So r is equal to, let us multiply this, it becomes 7 fives are 35, 3 is the carry, then 7 8s are 56, 56 plus 3 is 59, 5 is the carry, 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 5 is 12. So 129 divided by 37. So now let us divide that as a rough work, that is 1295 divided by 37. Alright, so 129 you can consider this. You cannot do forza, right? If you do forza, 34 is 120, and above that only 9 is remaining. So that's why we have to go for 3s. So it becomes 3 7s are 21, 2 is the carry, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. 9 minus 1 is 8, 2 minus 1 is 1, then 1 minus 1 is 0, we can leave that. So then it becomes 5s. Now definitely we cannot go for 6. 36 is 180, and only 5 is above. 37 6 means it becomes bigger number, no? So try for 37 5s. So it becomes 5 7s 35, 3 is the carry, then 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 3 is 18. Look at this, 185 minus 185, it get cancelled. So what is the value of r? The value of radius is going to be 35 centimeter. Okay, be careful while doing this kind of calculation. You should not leave any number. You have to cancel very carefully. When even numbers are there, go for 2. Okay, especially when 22 is there, try to go for then 11. Alright, so you are going to get the proper answer when you do like this. Okay, observe this calculation one more time, and don't get afraid. Be bold while solving, and please, this rough work, whatever this rough work is there, try to do it side by. Don't do it at the last, so that even the evaluator gets to know even the rough work is done, and they give you full marks. Alright, fine then. Moving towards next question. Next question is, The circumference of circular base of a right cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter. You understand the meaning of circumference of circular base, right? That is like circumference is 2 pi r, that is perimeter, all right. So that is 132 centimeter, and its height is 25 centimeter. The height is given. Now they are asking us to calculate the maximum amount of water it can hold. That means volume they are asking. Now look at this, we can write the data here. The circumference of circular base, okay, circumference, we can write here circumference is equal to how much is that? That is like 132. You can take this circumference as 2 pi r, right? So 2 pi r is equal to 132. All right. So 2 into pi means 22 by 7 into r is equal to 132. Let us find out the value of r. R is equal to, it becomes 132 into this 2 becomes 1 by 2, and this 22 by 7 becomes 7 by 22. Now you can cancel this as 22 ones are 22 6 are. Alright, 2 ones are 2 3s are. 3 into 7 is 21 centimeter. The radius is going to be 21 centimeter. Alright, and height is also given. The height value is 25 centimeter. So whatever this height is there, that is 25 centimeter. Alright, now they are asking us to calculate the maximum amount of water it can hold. That means volume they are asking. Volume is equal to, what is this? Is this a cylinder? Yes, definitely it is a cylindrical vessel. So that's why the volume is going to be pi r square h. What is the value of pi? Pi is 22 by 7. You should be very you should be very expert in this formulae. You should remember them quickly. Alright. So 22 by 7 into r square means that is 21 square. R is 21. So that is 21 into 21 into h value is 25. Alright. So it becomes 2 ones are, then 2 3s are. Alright. So afterwards I am going to have this as 22 into, so 3 21s are, that is like 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6 into 25. Now this 22 into 63, if you want to do it directly you can do it, otherwise you can do sidewise also. 63 into 22, if you know the table, well and good. 22 3s are 66, 6 is the carry. 22 6 are, it becomes 132, 132 plus 6 is 138, then into 25. If you are not confident, please do it. So you can check here, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, plus again 6 2 1, same thing, 6, then it is 8, then 3 1. Look at this, 1386, the same answer what we have got. Now if you are confident with the 25 table, then go for 25 table, otherwise do it separately, but don't do it wrong, okay. So I know the 25 table, 25 6 are 150, right? So 15 is the carry. Then 25 8s are 200. 200 plus 15 is 215. So you can write 5 here and 21 here. 25 3s are 75. 75 plus 21, that is 85, 95, 96. 9 is the carry. 25 1s are 25. 25 plus 9 is 34. Look at this. So 34,650 centimeter cube. Now if you are not confident, go for the calculation as I have already told you. That is like 1386 into 25. Please do and confirm. That is 5 6 are 30, 5 8s are 40 and 43. Then 5 3s are 15, that is 19, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 1 6. Then you can go for 2 6 are 12, 1 is the carry, 2 8s are 16, 17, 1 is the carry, 2 3s are 6, then 7, 2 1s are 2. You can confirm this, that is 0, it is 5. Then afterwards 9 plus 7 is 16, 1 is the carry, this is 7 and this is one more 7, that is like 14, then 4. Look at this, 34,650, same thing I have written here. So learning all these tables will make your life easy, but don't write it wrong, please. Okay, please try to do this rough calculation and write it down. Now this is a centimeter cube. I mean they are asking calculate the maximum amount of water it can hold. So water means you have to write it in liter, right? So how many liters is that? So 1000 centimeter cube means that is 1 liter. So you can definitely do it, divide it with 1000, no? So 34,650 divided by 1000 means 0 0 get cancelled, another 2 points. So that is like 34.65 liters. That's it. So this is the volume of that cylinder. So you can write, therefore it can hold 34.65 liters of water. All right, I hope the concept is quite clear and the question was direct. From the circumference we calculated the radius, then we went for this volume formula and we did this calculation. Alright, moving forward to next question. Look at this question. A solid metallic right circular cone, look at this, this is solid metallic right circular cone of height 20 centimeter. Okay, let me write cone here. Okay, this is the cone section, and what is the height of this? The height is 20 centimeter and base radius 5 centimeter. The base radius is 5 centimeter, is melted and recasted into a solid sphere. Alright, so it is made into a solid sphere. It is melted and it is recasted into a solid sphere. They are asking us to find radius of the sphere. So radius of the sphere is equal to question mark. Alright, so I mean, you know the basic rule, right? So volume of cone should be equal to volume of sphere. Alright, so this is the main thing in melting and recasting, the volume remains same. Alright, so volume of cone means 1 by 3 pi r square h, and volume of sphere, what is the formula for volume of sphere? That is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So here 3 and 3 get cancelled and pi get cancelled. Here r square, what is the meaning of r square? Look at this, this is 5, so it becomes 5 square. 5 square, and h is 20. Look at this h, that is 20, and that is equal to 4 into r cube. Alright, so it becomes 5 square mean, I mean you can cancel here, 4 1s are 4 5s are, you can cancel like this. So this is 5 square and 5, so you can write it as 5 cube. 5 cube is equal to r cube. Alright, now r is equal to, I mean if you compare here, look at this cube and cube is there, and what is the value of this? Okay, we have left some height here, no? We have taken everything, all right. So if you compare, so what is the value of 5 is equal to r? That means the radius is going to be 5 centimeter. That's it, very simple. This was asked for, this can be asked for 3 mark, 4 mark, or I mean this can be asked for 2 mark also sometimes. Alright, so that's why you should be doing the question this way. So I hope we have substituted all the values and everything is perfect. Moving forward to next question, look at this question. These kind of questions are very important. These are little lengthy also. You need to analyze the situation and you have to solve. A solid is in the shape of a cylinder with a cone attached to one end and hemisphere attached to another end as shown in the figure. Alright, this is a cylinder. Okay, one end cone is attached, another end hemisphere is attached. It is shown in the figure. All of them are of the same radius 7 centimeter. Everywhere, here also radius is 7, here also radius is 7, radius of this cylinder is also 7, hemisphere is also 7, cone is also 7. If total length of the solid is 61 centimeter, this total length is 61 centimeter, and height of the cylinder is 30 centimeter, this height is 30 centimeter. Alright, so now try to understand this. So this height is from this point to this point, it is 30 centimeter, and here again the radius is 7, right? So this is 7. So from this point till the very end here, so what is this? How much it will be? It will be 37. 30 plus 7 is 37. And in that, if you subtract this as 61, what you are going to get? You are going to get this height, no? So you can directly write here, I mean this is very important, height of the cone. Height of a cone. So it is going to be, one is a 61, total is 61 from this point to this point, it is 61. In that you subtract this 37. Alright, so it becomes 1 minus, 11 minus 7 is 4, 1 is a carry, then 6 minus 4 is 2, so 24 centimeter is the height of the cone. Alright, fine then. So height of the cylinder is 30 centimeter. Find the cost of painting the outer surface at a rate of 10 rupees per 100 centimeter square. That means we need to find out the curved surface area of this cone. So whatever this cone is there, so we have to find out the curved surface area. Let me change the color here. So this curved surface area of this cone, and curved surface area of this cylinder, and curved surface area of this hemisphere. alright, and we know the details of all the things, so you can write them if you want, otherwise directly you can substitute. Let me write it down, so that it do not trouble us. So whatever cylinder is there, so what should be the radius of cylinder? The radius of cylinder is 7 centimeter. What should be its height? The height of the cylinder is 30 centimeter. That's it is needed for this. Now how about hemisphere? If you are looking for hemisphere, we want only one thing, that is like radius. So how much is that? That is 7 centimeter. Now if you want to go for cone, in the cone, what is the radius? 7 centimeter. How about the height? Height just now we calculated, that is 24 centimeter. Alright, but to find the curved surface area of cone, don't you think we need a slant height also? So let us find out slant height. You know the formula for slant height, right? So L is equal to, what is the formula? Under root R square plus H square. So that is like under root. Look at this. With R and H you cannot find out a curved surface area. We need slant height. So L is equal to R square means 7 square plus we need this H square, that is 24 square. So 7 square means how much is that? That is like 49 plus don't you think 24 square, you know 24 square or not? That is 576, I guess. Correct, no? 576. If you don't know, calculate that. Alright, so it becomes under root 9 plus 6 is 15, 1 is a carry, then 4 plus 7 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12, then 1 is a carry, 625. So under root 625 means it is 25 centimeter. Slant height is 25 centimeter. We got to know about that. Now let us try to find out a curved surface area of the solid, whatever it is there. So that is equal to curved surface area of cylinder, curved surface area of cylinder, plus a curved surface area of a hemisphere plus a curved surface area of cone. All the things we have to look into that. What is the curved surface area of cylinder? That is 2 pi r h plus what is the curved surface area of hemisphere? 2 pi r square plus what is the curved surface area of a cone? So that is going to be pi r l. Now if you observe it very carefully into all these things, look at this pi and this pi can be taken common. Pi can be taken common, and if you look at this r, here 1 r and here 2 r's are there, but 1 r can be definitely taken out, 1 r and another r here. So if you take that r common, then after that here 2 and 2 is common, but in this there is no 2. That's why I am going to leave that. So in bracket pi r is already taken common. What I am going to write? 2h plus here pi and r is taken common and 2 is remaining, 2 into r square means 2 r's are there, 1 r I have taken out, another r is remaining, plus L. Look at this. This is going to make your calculation very easy. Alright, so pi means how much is that? That is 22 by 7 into r is again 7, bracket 2 into h. What is this h value? Look at this. This is something related to cylinder, right? So cylinder, what is the height here? That is 30 centimeter. Let us substitute that 30 plus 2 into r means again 7 plus L is just now we have calculated, that is 25. So that is going to be 25. Alright, so here 7 and 7 get cancelled, 22 is remaining, bracket 2 into 30 is 60 plus 2 into 7 is 14 plus 25. Alright, bracket closed here. Now we have 22 bracket, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 0 is again 9, then 2 into 1 is 3, 3 plus 6 is 9. So 99 into 22 or 22 into 99. So do this calculation, 99 into 22. So 2 9s are 18, 2 9s are 18 and 19 plus again 8, 9, 1. So if you just add all this, it becomes 8, then 17, 9 plus 1, 10, 11, then it is 2. So it becomes 2178. 2178. What is this? These many centimeters square. Alright, so this is the curved surface area of what? Curved surface area of the solid. So whatever solid is there, that curved surface area. Now the cost is also given. Look at this. What is the cost? The cost is like 10 rupees per 100 centimeter square. So for 100 centimeter square, how much we need to pay? For 100 centimeter square, we are paying them 10 rupees. That's what is given in the problem, no? Therefore, for how many centimeter square? The 2178 centimeter square, how much we need to pay? So that calculation is like 2178 into 10 divided by 100. So here 0 0 get cancelled and we get the answer 217.8. Alright, therefore cost of painting is equal to 217.8 rupees. Alright, I hope the concept is quite clear. So whatever the data is given in such a way that you have to find out this slant height, then afterwards you have to substitute the value, then you have to find it out. Alright, then moving forward to next question. So here is the fifth question. Usually there will be an option in 4-mark question. One is related to the cost and another is related to some radius and number of toys, that volume related thing. Okay, you observe that pattern in the question paper, you will get to know about that. Now fifth question is, a solid metallic cylinder of diameter 12 centimeter and height 15 centimeter. Okay, there is a cylinder of diameter 12 centimeter and height 15 centimeter is melted and recast into toys of the shape of a right circular cone mounted on a hemisphere as shown in the figure. As we are understanding the problem, there is a cylinder of diameter 12 centimeter and height 15 centimeter. It is melted and made into this shape. Look at this shape. Alright, so that's what description is given. If radii of both cone and hemisphere are 3 centimeter, so this is like 3 centimeter, both this radius and this radius both are 3 centimeter, and height of the toy is 7 centimeter. This entire height is 7 centimeter. If that entire height is a 7 centimeter means how much is this? This is like 3 centimeter only, no? This is the radius. Don't you think height of this cone will become 4 centimeter? Alright, such details you have to write immediately. Height of cone is equal to, it becomes 7 minus 3, so that is like 4 centimeter. You have to write such details immediately. Alright, fine then. Calculate the number of such toys that can be formed. What is the data we have? Let us write down. There is a cylinder, okay. There is a cylinder of diameter they have given. What is the diameter here? The diameter is 12 centimeter. If diameter is 12 centimeter means what is the radius? Radius is 12 by 2, that is equal to 2 ones are 2 6, it becomes 6 centimeter, and height is also given. Alright, so what is the height? Height is 15 centimeter. Now this is melted and made into this shape of a hemisphere with a cone mounted on it. Alright, so let us write the details of hemisphere. Hemisphere has only one detail, that is radius, so that is equal to 3 centimeter. Now if you come to cone, in the cone what is that? Radius is 3 centimeter. How about the height? Just now I have calculated height of the cone, that is 4 centimeter. Now is there any need to find out the slant height here? Slant height means this length. No need, because it is something related to volume. Alright, so fine then. Now they are saying calculate the number of such toys that can be formed. Okay, number of toys means you understand, no? So there was a cylinder here, okay, with the given dimensions. Now this is melted and some toys are going to be made like this. Okay, this is the first toy like this. Alright, and this is one more toy like this, and this is one more toy like this. We don't know how many toys are made. Let us assume that n toys are made. N toys. Okay, so what will be the hint here? The hint is going to be volume of this cylinder. Whatever volume of this cylinder is there, that is going to be, volume of this figure plus volume of this figure plus volume of this figure n times, no? N toys are made. So I can do that as n into volume of the solid formed. The solid formed is in the shape of hemisphere with a cone. We'll do that. We'll add both the volumes, but n are there, n toys are there. That's why I'm multiplying with n. Alright, so it's very important for you to represent the data in a particular way, so that the answer becomes quite easy for you. Alright, so what is the volume of this cylinder? The formula is going to be pi r square h, very simple. And here it is n bracket volume of this solid. Look at this solid, it is volume of the hemisphere plus volume of the cone, both we have to add. So n bracket, so volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone, both I will add here. Alright, this is very important. Now substitute that pi r square h is equal to n bracket. What is the volume of hemisphere? Volume of the hemisphere formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, this r square and this r both are different. Look at this. Here the radius is 6 centimeter, here the radius is 3 centimeter. If you want, you can call this as r dash also. There is no issue in that. If you want to call it as r dash, very good. I mean, you should not cancel this r and this r because they are different. Okay, you can call here 2 by 3 pi r dash cube, so that you are safe. Alright, plus what is the volume of the cone? That is 1 by 3 pi r square. R square means it is r dash square into h. This h is also different. What is this h? This is the height of the cone. You can call it as h dash if you want. Alright, this h and this h you should not cancel. Okay, h and h dash. Okay, I am writing here. Now, if you observe it very carefully, it becomes pi r square h is equal to n is there. Now, if you observe, don't you think pi is common here? Pi is common, and this is 2 by 3 and this is 1 by 3. Don't you think 1 by 3 is common here? 1 by 3 as in you can use this as 2 into 1 by 3. You can write like that also. 1 by 3 is common here, then 2 you can write here. Alright, here r cube as in r dash cube as in 2 times r dash is there, and here also 2 times r dash is there. You can take that also. Alright, I hope you are trying to understand what I am saying. Okay, please see that. So here I will write pi. Okay, and I will write 1 by 3 also into 1 by 3. Okay, and I will write this as r dash square also. Look at this, your calculation becomes quite easy here in bracket. N was there, I wrote that. Pi I have taken common, and 1 by 3 I have taken common. Now I have taken r dash square from here and r dash square here also. 1 r dash will remain here. We know that 1 by 3 I have taken common means 2 is remaining here, and into I mean r dash square if I am have taken common means r dash cube is there, 1 r dash will remain, plus 1 by 3 I mean pi also I have taken common, r dash square also common. So now what is remaining? H dash. Look at this calculation, how simple it has become. Once again observe this, n is there, I have written n, and in this I have taken let me use another color, let me use white color so that you understand it in a better way. N is there, n I have written, and afterwards 2 by 3 and 1 by 3 was there, 1 by 3 I have taken common here. Then after that pi was here also, I have taken that also common. R dash cube and r dash square, so that's why I have taken r dash square. Then bracket we are remaining with 2 here and 1 r dash, plus here everything is taken common, only h dash is remaining, that's why h dash. Alright, now easily you can say pi and pi they get cancelled. Alright, nothing other than that. Now r square means what is the radius of this cylinder? Radius of this cylinder is 6, so it becomes 6 square into h means what? Height of the cylinder. What is the height of the cylinder? That is 15. So let me write that as 15. This is equal to n into 1 by 3 into r dash. What is r dash? Look at this radius, this radius. Look at this. This becomes quite easy for you now. So you can substitute that. That is like 1 by 3 I have written. R dash square means 3 square. Alright, bracket 2 into r dash means 2 into 3 plus h dash, the value of h dash is 4. Okay, so you should be very careful while substituting all these values. So it becomes 4h dash is 4. I have substituted all the values. Now let us simplify this. It becomes a 6 into 6 into 15 is equal to n into 1 by 3 into 3 into 3. Bracket 2 into 3 is a 6 plus 4 it is. Now here this 3 and this 3 get cancelled. Now let me keep it as 6 into 6 into 15 is equal to, it becomes 3n. Okay, n into 3 is 3n, and in bracket 6 plus 4 is 10. Now we want only the value of n here, so let us keep n there only, and let us bring this 3 and 10 this side. It becomes 6 into 6 into 15 divided by 3 into 10. Now we can cancel this as 3 ones are 3 twos are. Alright, so then afterwards we'll have n is equal to, you can cancel this as 2 ones are 2 fives are, and 5 ones are 5 threes are. 6 into 3 is 18. Quite simple, right? By taking all these commons and all, you have made this problem very easy. Otherwise, it would have become very hectic. So you should have this skill of taking commons and calling this as h dash and r dash and r wherever necessary. So therefore, what I am going to write now, therefore we can make 18 such toys. All right, so I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have understood it very carefully, how the things have to be done in this section of surface areas and volumes. All right, then thank you very much. So we will come up with the 8th video, most probably with the circles or areas related to circles, or maybe introduction to trigonometry or applications of trigonometry. Whichever chapter you want, you can comment down. Okay, I'll be making all those videos up to the 12th day, because this year we have 12 chapters for the exam. Okay, then thank you very much. Have a good day and bye bye.